Hi there, I'm Gina O'Connor, Professor of Innovation Management at Babson College, and I'd like to tell you about this workshop on methods for incubating strategic innovation opportunities. If you have a passion for moving strategic innovation opportunities forward into commercial reality, you likely have experienced the difficulties of navigating the complex web of uncertainties that arise with any opportunities that stretch beyond the core, particularly in mature, established organizations. But we all know that moving beyond the mainstream core business and developing new streams of growth is essential to an established organization's health and benefits society as well. In partnership with the IRI, our research team from Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute conducted a three-phase study on managing for strategic and breakthrough innovation in large established companies that spanned nearly 20 years. Of the 35 companies that participated in the study, 2/3 were IRI members. The research produced a series of papers and books, but it also resulted in a set of recommendations for how to build an organizational capability to manage strategic innovation, which we have since implemented in a number of companies. Now, through Babson College, I continue to work with organizations who want to strengthen their capabilities in this area and protect themselves from disruption. In this workshop, we're going to talk about one particular aspect, and that is methods for incubating opportunities that have the potential to take you beyond your core business or catapult your core into adjacent markets and new business models. We'll first talk about what approaches you're using today if you are already working in this area of beyond incremental innovation and how well it's working for you. I know that the lean startup method, the business model canvas, and other approaches that were developed for use in the startup high-tech world have made their way into the large corporate environment. But the mature company's cost structure, organizational structure, budget cycles, and other established routines present challenges that these tools and methods don't address. So we'll dig into the complex nature of uncertainty, and it'll become clear why the methods used in the startup context don't help us achieve the true potential that corporate innovation can offer the market. And then I'll introduce two methods. The first is the learning plan, which we developed based on 5 years of observing project managers struggle with commercializing breakthrough innovations in their companies. The learning plan has since been adopted for use in a number of industrial and consumer product firms. Second is one you may have heard of, developed by Rita McGrath and her colleagues, called discovery-driven planning. Combined, these two methods provide a powerful approach to progressing your strategic innovation opportunities toward commercial marketplace within a large, sometimes bureaucratic setting. The more uncertain the opportunities, the more these methods can help. I hope you'll join us.